Hey guys, hope y'all are doing well. I have a Cobb workshop announcement video here. We have 2 upcoming Cobb workshops at first 2 weeks of September. So only a couple weeks away, but I've got one in North Florida and one in East Tennessee. And so the one in Florida, we're going to be doing a bit of rammed earth and earth plaster and covering the whole earth building curriculum. And then in Tennessee, we have a Cobb building workshop where we're going to be building Cobb walls. This is the 3rd workshop in the series at this location. So we're building a new Cobb house and constructing the Cobb walls during the workshop. And I'll be taking you through the regular Cobb building curriculum. So both of these workshops are going to be excellent as usual. And I'll leave links below to both of these. You can check out the testimonials too. Everybody has an excellent time. A lot of people say it's a life-changing experience. So yes, we are still scheduled. There are no interruptions due to any COVID issues or anything like that. So we will be there. Again, it's only a couple weeks away. We do have plenty of spots open still, so please sign up ASAP. I'll leave the links below. And this might be the last opportunity to get some earth building education with me this year, unless you want to wait until spring, summer of 2021. So this is a great opportunity to get that in this year before the winter. I don't know what else to say. It's going to be a great time. The prices are very reasonable. The value is extraordinary. And so I hope to see more of you there.